Crack the code, growth hacking made simple. Want to scale fast without burning cash? Growth hacking is your golden ticket. It's all about testing quick, creative marketing experiments like referral programs, viral loops, or influencer collaborations. The goal? To find what works and ditch what doesn't faster than your competition. Not every experiment will hit the jackpot, and that's okay. Dropbox nailed growth with its referral program, but some ideas flop. Learning from both is crucial. Failures can pave the way for breakthroughs no business book can teach. Every test brings you a step closer to scalable success. You don't need huge budgets to grow. Start simple, test a social media contest or create a viral video hook. Measure results, optimize, and replicate successes. Small experiments can snowball into big wins when approached with focus and consistency. Testing isn't optional, it's your roadmap to explosive growth. The best ideas are the ones you test. Don't let fear of failure hold you back. Start experimenting today and adapt fast. Subscribe for more strategies, share your results with us, and go turn your startup into the next big thing. Growth is waiting, time to grab it.